Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Cyberpunk 2077 multiplayer. Many players wonder about an official online mode, but the developers, CD Projekt Red, ultimately canceled their plans for a standalone multiplayer experience. However, the passionate community has stepped up. There are fantastic fan-made modifications that allow you to dive into Night City with your friends, offering a unique way to explore the game's vast world together. The primary way to enjoy Cyberpunk 2077 with others is through the community-created CyberMP mod. This impressive project, developed by dedicated fans, allows up to 20 players to connect and roam Night City simultaneously. It's designed to offer a sandbox-style online experience, letting you and your chums create your own adventures, similar to what you might find in other popular open-world online games. Getting started with CyberMP is straightforward for PC users. First, you'll need to download and properly install the mod. After installation, you can easily connect to available servers, allowing you to meet up with other players. You can then freely explore Night City, engage in exciting firefights, or even participate in vehicle races. The mod features impressive synchronization, ensuring smooth interactions and shared experiences with your fellow players. It's important to remember a few key points about CyberMP. This mod is not designed for playing the main story campaign in co-op. It's purely an open-world multiplayer experience. As a fan-made project, it's still under active development, with new features and improvements being added regularly. While there's no official multiplayer for the current game, the developers have hinted that a future Cyberpunk sequel might include an official online component.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.